Gaza Nation, look for me good. Now me just a chat to guess. Or when I die, you feel like so hot when you come in on my ramping shop. Now if you say nothing more, you want to see the king and the queen for the first time in 13 years? Freedom Street, December 31st. Be there. No? Or I'm out.
What kind of production quality and stage setup are you aiming for? And will there be any surprise guest performance or collaborations?
There will definitely be surprise guest performances. I mean, that goes without saying. And as it relates to what you talk about the production, remember Downtown Entertainment.
Say this.
Alright.
Can you give us a sneak peek into the set list or any special performances planned for the night?
No, we're not giving nobody a sneak peek, you know. Okay. Sneak peek in some girl house, but a joke to them. Kiss me, baby. Yeah.
How do you feel about performing for your fans again after 14 years? And what can they expect from this historic concert?
First of all, the words can't explain how I feel. I mean, yeah, we can say we're happy, we're elated, it's amazing. But words really can't express how we feel. Cause I remember, 13 years, You know what I mean? And one thing I love more than life itself is music. So, I don't even know how people process that feeling there. But what the fans can expect from Cartel, as usual, is the unexpected. You know what I mean? In terms of performance, they might get 3 hours worth of fire. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, fans, Gaza Nation, Gaza citizens, roll out.